Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English Channel Prime. Students, today we'll learn the prose under Unit 5 named Kittu Rani Channamma. Under this, today we'll complete Onek Obawa in this video. So, children, Onek Obawa is related to the fort of Chitradurga. There was a fort in Chitradurga fort named as Chitradurga fort, which is very beautiful and strong. And there used to live a brave woman. Her name was Obawa. And her husband was the guard of the watchtower of Fort Chitradurga. And once what happened, how Onek Obawa or how her name became Onek Obawa, we'll learn in this story. Can you see this picture? Yes, this picture is of the woman Obawa. And here Muslim invader Hyder Ali, he surrounded the Chitradurga fort all around one day. He wanted to attack this Chitradurga fort at any time. But his soldiers were very thirsty of blood and see, can you see this Chitradurga fort? Very strong. Chitradurga ruler was Madkari Nayaka. Chitradurga's army also deployed inside the walls of the fort. The guards were also deployed on the rocks. Tremendous fortifications was there. Hyder was not ready to attack because he could not understand how to attack on this fort. One guard was there, whose name was Kale Muda. And his wife came to call him for food. His wife's name was Obawa. She said, "Hey, listen, come down and have your food." There was the house of the guard in the rocks itself, in the fort itself. She bring and served food, and after that she saw that there was no water in the house. At the same time, Oba's husband also asked for water. So she took the pot of water and went inside the tunnel. Water remained throughout the year in the mountain. So she went through that small tunnel. But there was a maze. Hyder Ali, he found that small secret tunnel. That is the small hole inside the rocks, inside the fort. And one person could barely get out of it. Obawa came to fill the water from this same hole. But Obawa was seen by someone. By whom? Yes, it was seen by the Hyder Ali. And Hyder Ali now got the idea to went inside the fort, to enter into the fort. He ordered his soldiers to get it from that small hole. Then, but hole was so tiny, so small that soldiers could not get in. So he ordered to enter one after one. All the soldiers, one after one, they tried to go inside. A soldier started coming inside. As his head came out of the hole, Obawa looked his head. She became shocked, and what she did? She saw the soldier's head. She took out that pot and threw that pot down and ran to the house. From her house, she brought a onek, that is a rod. She saw a rod that is called onek. So for that onek, her name became Onek Obawa. She doesn't wanted to disturb her husband. She picked the onek and went to the hole. Now, just see, children, the head is seen, and as soon as the enemy and enemy soldiers half body came in the hole, what she did? Yes, she started beating. Obawa secretly stand outside on the opening of the hole, and when she reached near his head, she struck the soldier with her full strength. Soldier's head burst immediately. His soul left the body. That means he died instantly. Before that the other soldier could get inside, she dragged the dead soldier on one side. As soon as the other soldier's head came in, again Obawa hit his head very hardly. He also died instantly. As the enemy soldier was entering inside, Obawa was killing one after the other. Keeping their bodies, she dragged all the bodies and kept it aside. Oba had piled the corpses of the enemy soldiers. She goes on keeping the soldiers or killed bodies, dead bodies to one side. A single soldier could not survive alive. If there was something moving, then it was Obawa's arms and Obawa's neck. Obawa's husband finished his food. Due to not having water, he came out searching for Obawa. As he came out and saw the scene, his eyes were torn up. He became completely shocked to see Obawa killing one after one all these soldiers, all these enemies. Looking at the Obawa then shouted, then screamed, "Don't look at me. Go up and blow the trumpet to warn the king, so that king will come to know that Hyder Ali has attacked us." His trumpet sounded loud. His husband informed the king. As soon as the trumpet blows, Chitraduga's army also come out. The watchman was blowing up the trumpet. Oba was excited with all the soldiers. She was cheering them. The soldiers of Chitraduga also came out. Then they clashed with Hyder Ali's armies. Oba was still cheering for the soldiers. A soldier came out of the hole, and at that time Obawa secretly came behind Obawa, and Obawa was not attentive at that time. She was still cheering for her side of soldiers. So she could not notice that one soldier has come behind her, and that enemy soldier he came hidingly and he killed his back with a sword. Without any delay, she struck the sword in her back and went out. Obawa was killed, sacrificed her life for saving Chitraduga fort. She was such a brave woman. If you visit the Chitraduga, you will see that hole. This is the Obawa Kindi. This is named as Obawa Kindi. There is a stadium in Chitraduga in the name of Obawa also. There is a big stadium in her name. So she is the famous one, the great brave woman who has sacrificed her life protecting the fort. So she is also an ordinary woman, but she, with her braveness, with her fearlessness, she protected the fort. And Matkari Nayaka praised her patriotism and bravery. She was a great woman like Rani Kittur Chennamma and Keladi Chennamma. We will learn about Rani Chennamma of Kittur after this story. So let's now do the question answers. Answer the following questions. Open page number 73. Who was Obawa? Obawa was the brave woman of Chitraduga. Who attacked the Chitraduga fort? Second question. Answer is Hyder Ali, the Muslim ruler Hyder Ali, attacked the Chitraduga fort. Third question. How did Hyder Ali plan to send his soldiers into the fort? Answer. Hyder Ali planned to send his soldiers into the fort through a secret tunnel at night. Fourth question. How did Obawa kill the enemy soldiers? Obawa was hiding behind the opening of the tunnel, and she killed one by one all the enemy soldiers one by one. Why was husband shocked? Obawa's husband saw Obawa with hundreds of the enemy's dead bodies, and so he was shocked. So this is all about Unit 5 Kittur Rani Chennamma. Complete this. Hope you understand everything. If any doubt, ask in the comment. Thank you, children.